Even with careful planning, experts find shaped charges difficult to manage, sometimes with fatal consequences. Canberra, Australia, 1997. A crowd gathers.
Exclusion zone was placed around the area outside.
Another demolition team has loaded an outdated hospital with explosives. From the front, the implosion looks fine. On the water side, it's a different story. A steel girder, loaded with shaped charges, launches steel shrapnel 430 meters. Steel shards puncture the water and injure 9 people.
The charges will be laid over the tragedy.
One fragment strikes and kills a 12-year-old child. Shaped charges have devastating power. Containing that power is critical, especially on this site, where the neighbors are only 5.5 meters away.